Hey honeys, welcome back to Kip's Natural World. My name is Nad and thank you so much for tuning in. So, yes, honeys, this month is the second month of our rice challenge, and this month we'll be growing our hair with rice milk. Last month we grew our hair using fermented rice water, and this month we'll be using rice milk to grow our hair. So, first things first, let's find out how to make our rice milk. So to make a rice milk, I put some rice into a bowl. It doesn't matter the measurement, just a good amount. And then I add some warm water to wash the rice to get rid of any dirt or whatever was used in processing the rice. By rubbing it in between the fingers really. And then I get rid of the water. And then I bring in more warm water. This time I'm keeping in the water and I'm going to leave it to sit for some hours. You can leave it for 2 to 3 hours. I left mine for about 7 hours because I was busy. And you will notice the grains of the rice will swell up. They look bigger and they look softer as well. And you can see the bubbles because of the warm water, because of the heat. Can actually see the grains will swell up. That's how it looks. The grains look bigger because they've taken in the water and they will swell up. So we're going to blend our rice. And that's the consistency we're looking for. Now we're going to strain the, you can use a cheesecloth or Tide, whatever you've got, okay, to strain it. And here we go. That is our rice milk. Beautiful. That is our rice milk all ready to be used. I also gave it another strain just to make sure that I've got every bit of the rice out so it doesn't get stuck in our hair. Okay, and now I'll just transfer my rice milk into my little spray bottle and it's all ready to be used. This time we're not going to ferment this rice. We're not going to ferment it. Okay, we're going to use it straight away, same day. So I'm not going to put any oranges or clementines in it or essential oils, nothing, just the rice milk. And it's all ready to be used. It's just beautiful color. That's our rice milk. Look at the hair, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Even my ends, okay, is responding to this rice milk. Can you see the difference? Because with the rice water, you guys saw my ends was not, okay, having it. But with the rice milk, it's actually, my ends even look tamed. My goodness. I love this. Guys, I'm loving this rice milk. Definitely, definitely, definitely. So this is the last section, guys.
last section. I have really enjoyed using this rice milk, guys. I have to be honest with you. For some reason, I think I really like this. I just love the way the hair feels. It feels really, really different, guys. Look, it feels so different. The softness is so good. It's also more than twice the softness I was feeling with the rice water. It feels, look at that. Look at that, and the elasticity, look at that. See, this is what I was saying, the elasticity. It brings so much elasticity to your hair. Look. It's amazing. I love this. Definitely. I can't wait to see the results. The elasticity is just so great. It's amazing. So just like I did with the rice water, I will be applying the rice milk every week. This is the first week. Next week I'll be applying the rice milk, and then next 3 weeks I'll be applying the rice milk, and then next 4 weeks I'll be applying the rice milk, making 4 weeks continuous of the rice milk application. And then after 4 weeks we will measure the length. We're going to get more hair this month, more than last month when we applied the rice water. We will see, definitely. Okay, so but I'm not going to show every week when I'm applying like I did with the rice water, okay, because I don't want this video to be long, because you've already seen how I do it every week. Okay, so it's the same thing every week. I'll be applying the rice water. Yes guys, and I'll see you in 4 weeks. Hey honeys, so yes, this is the final week of the rice milk application. Okay, so I have been applying the rice milk on my hair every week for 4 weeks, and this week is the last week. Today is the last day, so we are going to measure my hair to see how much hair I have grown, if any, okay, or to see if I have lost some hair from using the rice milk. So you remember the last challenge, I gained 2 inches of hair, from 8.5 inches to 10.5 inches. We're going to find out if I have lost some of that hair, okay, from using the rice milk, or if I have gained it more. Okay, now this is the result, as you can see, guys. So after using the rice milk, this is how my hair looks. I noticed that with the rice milk, I have gained volume. My hair is gone so thick. With the rice water, I could see my hair, you know, was still thin, but then I could see the shine. With the rice milk, straight away I can see volume. You can just see the hair looks more thicker, okay, compared to after I used the rice water. So that's the biggest change that I noticed straight away. So we're going to measure my hair. Just going to take a section of the hair. Okay. That's all we need. Yeah, that's all we need. And then we're going to go in with our tip measure. Again, we're going to go for the inches, okay? So inches, let this bit go. We have 10, and let this bit go. So you can see 11 there, guys, and then there's 12. Okay, so we have 12, 11, then there's 12. Just gone a bit over 12. It's getting to 13, but this is just a little bit. So should we say, should we say 13? Yeah. Say, yep, we got all the way to 13, guys. We've gone all the way. Shrinkage is not helping us, but yeah, we need to get the full length. So it takes us to 13. which is the longest strand. Okay, so 12 and then 13. Wow, guys, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting 13 inches, but as you saw, you've seen it for yourself, my longest strands have grown from 10.5 inches to 13 inches. Okay, so that means I've grown 2.5 inches in the second month challenge for 4 weeks using rice milk to grow my hair. I can't wait for the third month challenge, okay, to see how much hair I'll grow, or maybe to see if I'm going to lose some of this hair. Okay, so please on this note, I would love you to please share with me, all of us who joined the rice challenge. Let me know your results for the first month. I'm sure by now we've all finished. We've come to the end of our first month challenge, okay, with the rice water. Please, honey, share your results in the comment section. Let us know how much hair you grew. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss a thing, okay? And don't forget to put your notifications on, okay, so when I post, it will come straight to you, so you don't miss a thing, okay? And don't forget to share, okay, this video. It might help somebody out there. Please give me a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. God bless. Bye.